This gorgeous home sits on 0.44 acres of land. This is a 2,055 square foot single family home. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Very spacious living area with a great fireplace. Huge backyard for entertaining. Plenty of storage room in the exterior. 1 detached car garage, workshop, a hot tub, and another detached building. 1 room. That can be a great source of income. There are 3 buildable lots. The seller used just one of the 3 from the total land. The current zoning of the land allows 3 homes, so potentially you can turn the other 2 lots into single-family homes. The options are endless with this unique opportunity. Call for more details.